Hey, what's up? Dividal here with another video. Today we're unboxing the latest phone from Samsung, the Note 20 Ultra that came out on August 21st. There has been a lot of hype about that phone. As an iPhone user, I was very interested in checking out the new Note 20 Ultra. We're going to take a look at it to see what is interesting. This phone comes in three different colors: Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze, and Mystic White. Today we're going to unbox the Mystic Bronze. The box felt pretty light. When you open the box, the first thing you see is the phone. Not only it looks very good, it looks high quality as well. That's actually my first time seeing the phone in person. I really like the bronze color. It's a matte finish. I prefer matte over glossy finish. With the glossy finish, your fingerprints stay, and if you're someone who likes your device to stay clean, you will have to clean it more often. So I'm pretty satisfied with the matte finish. You have a small box containing the warranty, terms and conditions, and quick guide. It also comes with a SIM card removal tool. It comes with a 25-watt wall charger and a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge the phone and to transfer data. Usually I go to a store where they display them to see if I'm really interested. But this one, I just pre-ordered it. I like the color, and they announced that it was a matte finish, so I said, let me try it. And I do not regret it. You can see that it has a very nice look. It doesn't come with earphones. That's a real bummer. Yes, you heard it. Samsung does not sell the Note 20 Ultra with earphones. The Note 10 Plus came with earphones last year. I think they should even include the Galaxy Buds because that phone costs $1299 plus tax. The total price is almost $1,400. Come on, Samsung. For this price, you should include earphones. Now let's take a look at the phone. The frame is stainless steel. It has Gorilla Glass Victus. Some other Galaxy phones like the Note 10 Plus and the S20 come with pre-installed glass protection, but the Note 20 Ultra doesn't come with it, at least not mine. The phone is not a small phone. Don't expect it to be light. It's 7.3 ounces or 208 grams. On the right side, we have a volume button up and down, and below it, we have a power button. In the bottom, we have the microphone, the USB-C to charge the phone and to transfer data, and we also have the speaker and the S Pen that matches the color of the phone. And on the left side, there's nothing. On the top, we have a mic and a SIM card tray. You can also put a memory card if you want to expand your storage. You can expand the storage up to 1 terabyte. Some noticeable changes from the Note 10 Plus is that they switch everything. S Pen, volume button, and power button were on the left. Now they're on the right. And they also switch the mic and the speaker. Talking about specs, this phone is a mini computer. The operating system is Android 10 with UI 2.0. It has a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate. This phone comes in 128GB and 512GB of storage. This one is 128GB. It has 3 cameras in the back. First one is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with aperture of 2.2 and a 13mm lens. Second one is 108-megapixel wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8 and a 26mm lens. Third one is a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom with an aperture of 3.0. Front camera is a 10-megapixel with an aperture of 2.2, capable of shooting 4K 60p video. The Note 20 Ultra can record 8K 24 frames per second video, slow-mo at 960 frames per second in 720p. Definitely this phone is a beast. At this point, I can say you don't even need a camera if you have this phone because it can do it all. It comes with a 45,000 milliamp battery. Compared to the Note 10 Plus that came with a 43,000 milliamp battery, can we say that the battery will last longer? We don't know. Because the Note 20 Ultra has 120Hz refresh rate. That means it's faster. So you're still going to use the power to make the phone looks good. I will make another video after using it to see the difference. This phone looks great. Since this phone is a new release from Samsung and I've been wanting to try an Android, so I'll go with it and see how I like it. From turning it on, I can tell you the screen is crisp. Image looks very sharp. In the setup process, you can set up different modes of protection. You can have face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and password. After setting it up, I can tell you that I already like it. By the way, during the setup, it asks if you want to copy data from another phone. I did not select it, but just letting you know that you can transfer data from phone to phone. Setup is complete. You might not see the difference from the video, but the image quality is great. The phone comes with some pre-installed software. Let's remove the plastic. It's not a screen protector. Note 10 Plus and S20 came with it. On the Note 20 Ultra, they just put a plastic. You're not gonna be able to use it as a screen protector. For the motion smoothness, you can set it up on adaptive. You will get smoother animations by adjusting automatically the screen refresh rate at 120 Hz. If you set it up on standard, you will get a longer battery life with a 60 Hz screen refresh rate. I vote for smoother because smoother is better. Let's take a look at the S Pen. There are a few gestures to set it up for the first time. There is a sort of tutorial that will guide you throughout the setup until you get it right. I've tried it several times before I got it right. The pen is very responsive. Once it recognizes your handwriting, it can convert it. It makes it easier to take notes at a fast pace. From the unboxing of the Note 20 Ultra, I'm very satisfied with it so far. I'm gonna keep using it and see how it is. I will be making more videos about it. Please like, share, comment, and if you find value to this video, hit subscribe. See you in the next video.